In this video, I am going to show you how to add age verification to your Wix website. So let's see how we can do it. So this is our Wix website and today we are going to add age verification to it. So from the Wix website editor, we are going to click on pages and menus and then click on add page. Now we are going to select landing page from here. Select the landing page template and then click on add page. Give it a name and then click on done. Click on this 3 dots button and then click on set as home page. Now we are going to delete this email notification from here. Add a button to our page. Click on add elements and then add a button to our page. Click change text and icon. We are going to change its text to yes I am and then close it from here. Also we will change this coming soon text to are you over 18? We are going to decrease its size a little bit. Now we are going to hide our header and footer for this page. So right click on your header and then click on hide header and footer. Select no header and footer and then close it. Now select this button and then click on link. Select page and then from the drop down select home and then click on done. Now click on publish. Click view site. So now users have to verify their age before entering our website. So if I click on yes I am, I will be redirected to my website homepage. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.